Okay, we have now going to video number 3. We have gone through the health screening attestation process. You made it into school. You have gone to your desk. You've either ate breakfast or you've waited until 7:15, and now you're off to class. So I want to share a couple of key pieces of information just so you kind of know how we're going to not just move from class to class, but things you need to know in terms of what to bring to school and how we're going to move not just you, but your materials. So as you can see over here at YMS, we have a large number of lockers, but due to the reopening requirements, we're not going to be using lockers. So we're going to encourage students to bring a backpack, which is perfectly fine to do, and it's something to carry your materials in. Make sure too, you remember to bring your Chromebook charged every single day. Also, we will not have water fountains, but we do have a water dispenser. And in order to use that, you will need to bring some version of your own water bottle. And we'd ask that you put your name on that too. Okay. Now, if we look down the hallway, this is our 200 wing. Most of our classes, not all of them, are in the 200 wing. But here, you will see these are called stanchions, and they're dividers. You've probably seen them when you stood in line for lunch last year. We are going to really emphasize, students, you need to walk on the right side. Why? Because we want to try to keep social distancing while we're moving. Now, the other piece when we're doing student movement is that you have to keep moving. I know it's hard, but you can't stop. You can't linger with friends, okay? And the whole idea is that we have to keep it safe. And so after each class or each transition, if you go to lunch and back to class, walk to the right, keep moving. So let's just kind of go up the hall here and take a look at how this works. So here at YMS, here are two of our restrooms that we have here in the cafeteria, okay? And then we also have two other restrooms in the 200 wing. For social distancing and safety purposes, we're going to limit the restrooms to have 4 people at one time, okay? We'll also be closing off some of the stalls in the restrooms, again, to keep it safe, keep it social distance. So let's move back up to the 200 wing, and you can see I'm staying to the right, and I keep moving. And this is one of the places in the 200 wing where a lot of students are come through, and it can be a little bit of a log jam, so we've got to be really smart about taking turns, staying on the right side as we keep moving. As we go down the main wing of the 200 wing, again, you can see 2 more stanchions. Keep people in the right direction. All these chairs and stuff, they'll be gone by the time you get here, and you'll see more stanchions in different places. So student movement, okay, no lockers, make sure that no water fountains, so bring a backpack, make sure you bring a water bottle, and then we're also going to use safety procedures and limit the amount of people in restrooms. Keep moving is the safest way to go, all right?